Hello everybody, my name is Hoàng Minh. I'm 8 years old. My class is E2L. Today I will do recording too. It's a school day today. Right. What's in my bag? My new colors and pants. My old eraser and phone. But where's my ruler? Oh, there is my book. And where's my pen? Oh, this is good. Look at the clock. Bye, Mom. Bye, sir. I've got my school bag. See you. Run to the bus stop. Quick, quick. And jump on the bus. Hi, Greg. Hello, Nick. This is my classroom. And this is Miss Rice. She's our new teacher. She's very nice. We are making a poster, right? What's in my bag? My new color and pants. My old eraser and phone. We love our new playground. Let's have some fun. Here, catch this ball and jump and run. But where's my ruler? It's not here with my book. And where's my pen? It's not here. Oh no! Look, don't worry, say Mark. Have my ruler, I got to there for you. It's okay, say Mike. Here you are. Have my pen, I got free for you and me. Goodbye.